Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to my afternoon news report right here on the Riley King Network. Let's begin. One dead after apparent carbon monoxide exposure in Candia, officials say. Untimely death under investigation, according to officials. Authorities are investigating after one person was found dead Saturday morning in Candia after apparently being exposed to carbon monoxide, officials said. Officials said a neighbor found the victim dead in a detached, enclosed garage. Firefighters said they found increased levels of carbon monoxide in the garage near a generator that appeared to have been operating recently. Power outages were reported in the neighborhood Friday night after a winter storm hit the state. Officials with the New Hampshire State Fire Marshal's office believe the death was accidental. An autopsy to determine the cause of death is scheduled for Monday morning. State Fire Marshal said it's important for residents to have working carbon monoxide detectors in their homes and to operate generators in a well-ventilated area. Officials said residents should only use a generator that has been properly connected to house wiring by a professional. Generators should be run outside and at least 10 feet away from a building with the exhaust facing away from the house. Improperly installed or running generators can cause carbon monoxide poisoning. Anyone who suspects carbon monoxide in a home or building is urged to leave to get fresh air immediately and call 911 before calling the State Poison Center at 1-800-222-1222. And take a look at this graphic photo here. Generators should always be used outside the home. Carbon monoxide poisoning can occur when a generator is not working or vented properly. So remember, when you're using a generator, bring it outside your house and hook it up properly. If you don't know how to, have a professional do it for you. Make sure it's away, at least 10 feet away from that house, and make sure it is ventilated properly and working properly as well. That is it for my afternoon news report right here on the Riley King Network. Have a great rest of your afternoon. I'll see you back here tomorrow for more news reports. Good night, goodbye, and see you tomorrow.